come out of nowhere.
I know.
Yeah, they come up out of nowhere, they disappear, they slide over top of each other. You're going along fine, then all of a sudden it's got you in another direction. I actually did write it down, but it went over at the last minute, so I actually did ride it all the way to the right. It was fun, but I got spun 180. There was more to that than I thought. That was fun. Man, you had some air on that one. You had one break right in front of you, and it was like, whoa! All right, so what's up with that serpentine? This couldn't have been serpentine. Is this serpentine? Ruby. Woo, I feel better. Feel better. And then when I came down through it, it like disappeared. Yeah, it's just like, can't we throw a little couple of babies in? Woo! Mm-hmm. That was nice. That was almost like a non-rapid. Jen, grab on! She was in a bad way. There was no way. I don't know if you saw her flip it. There was no way she was going to roll up in that shit. Go to the right! Oh yeah, but there was no way. It was just so nasty.
Yeah, she was up on her side trying to roll.
No way at all. Yeah. You got into a funky there. Come on, Susie! Woo, 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 woo! Oh yeah, that almost looks like tar, melted tar.